Hey guys, it's me, Iliana, and we are going to be doing the taste testing. Let me move this back actually. We are going to be doing the taste testing for the octopus.
Yeah, and I'm here.
So what we have here is our little extra
Sorry,
octopus,
the lighting.
the actual octopus balls, and
the lighting.
It's okay. And the
Goodness.
little sauce. So this is what it looks like.
Yes. It's not that dark.
Okay, so first we're going to try an octopus.
Cold.
It's cold?
Tastes like nothing. I'm about to puke.
I don't like it.
I'm done. This is the only one we don't like together.
No.
Wait,
Because they knew like all of them.
No, not the ones that I didn't do.
Now we have mustard. I'm going to put this on the tray actually.
Don't.
Not mustard, sorry, mayonnaise.
No.
Mustard, mayonnaise, same thing.
No.
No,
They're
I
different.
said- Oh, okay.
Mustard is yellow.
Okay, ready?
Mayonnaise? No. Don't. I don't want to do
Try
it. No.
Try it. Here, get it close up. Wait, let me see your finger. Are you trying it?
Nothing.
It has an aftertaste.
It took a little bit, so.
Now we are going to be trying
Oh.
these guys.
Oh no, it has the octopus.
Yeah, there's the octopus inside.
I'm not.
They grab one.
No.
Grab one, Dayton. This
No.
is a full thing.
No. No.
Grab one.
No.
Here, try the smallest one then. It has a little bit of everything.
No.
Dayton.
No.
Dayton.
No.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do this today.
He's refusing to do it.
Yes, I am.
So,
I don't want to
I'm
do
gonna
it
try
today. Oh my gosh.
The
You
bread is
notice this?
very like.
My beautiful face.
Try it.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
You didn't even have it.
Yes, I did.
No. That's tiny.
I liked it.
That was a tiny one. No, you didn't.
Here, fine. We'll eat it at the same time.
No.
You grab one. I'll grab one.
I said no.
Okay. Here's yours.
No.
Here's yours. The Aiden is gone. So. It's so good.
No, you didn't.
It's so good, guys. It's so good.
Actually, eat it.
It's so good.
You're eating. You don't like it.
No, I love it.
You're getting the taste out of your mouth. You don't like it.
I don't like it. Oh, I love it.
You like it. Oh, you hate it.
Ow. It looks so pretty though.
It looks so weird.
Your face. But
Your
thank you
mom.
guys for watching. I hope that
Bye.
you enjoyed. Bye.
The weird challenge thing.